Hi, I'm Jihye Kang, a third-year PhD student in immunology, and usually during outside of the lab, I'm watching the bangers game, hiking, cooking. In the lab, I work with the Dr. Trutman's group where we study macrophage, which is a key immune cells for the inflammations. But during the disease, like chronic disease, these cells can get stressed and can get into the override, which is actually makes inflammation worse and can damage tissue like the liver. So our research focused on how that stress rewire macrophage behavior. To study this, we use a mix of the experiment skill like the growing cells and examining their DNA, RNA, proteins along with the computer tools. So if you join us, you will gain hands-on experience in both lab techniques and also data analysis.